This segment of CoastLife is sponsored by Shell's Early Learning Center.
Well, CoastLife, we know you're busy, and maybe you've been so busy you forgot that daylight savings was coming up this weekend, and we are springing forward. So we're losing that hour of sleep. So the kids might be feeling it, parents might be feeling it to kind of get us through it. We've got Angela Malabet, Executive Director with Shell's Early Learning Center on the CoastLife Couch, one of our favorite friends to hang out with. And you've got some things for parents and kids to keep in mind this weekend as we all lose that hour of sleep.
We lose the hour, but we get more sunlight. So that means, you know, with the weather starting to pick up, I think definitely take the kids out. Don't try to switch up the routine. I think that's the biggest mistake a lot of parents make, is that they try to switch the routine up and it doesn't work. Don't switch up the routine. It's going to be hard this weekend. It's going to be a lot, but just wear the kids out. It's supposed to be nice weather, so wear them out, stick to your routine. Yes, the sun's gonna be up and it's gonna be like, the sun's up, you know, I
everybody's gonna get after dinner ice cream.
Yeah, let's go do something. But no, just, you know, just keep going with the flow of things. Stick to the schedule. Don't be like, oh, the sun's up, so let's not go down. No, because the sun's going down earlier or later. So it's gonna, you know, I would say just don't switch up the schedule. That's the biggest thing for me. And, you know, even with getting up, because now it's gonna be darker, you know, still get them up at the same time. Stick to the routine. Even if you gotta turn on all the lights in the house, stick to the routine. Like, that's the best thing you can do, is stick to that routine. So I say don't switch it up. I say don't try to do anything crazy. Wear them out longer. Do a lot more activities this weekend so that they can be tired and it doesn't phase them. But don't try to do this change in their schedule. It's going to throw them off, and it's definitely going to throw you off. And then you're going to be up at 6 in the morning just kind of looking outside like it's dark. So don't mess up the schedule, guys.
Don't mess with the schedule. No. That can all wait for summer.
Yes.
We just got to get through spring first, and we're springing forward together.
Yes.
You guys also are doing some renovations at the Milton location. So what can students look forward to?
Oh, yes. So we have, so this weekend we're actually closing early. We're closed on Monday because we are actually doing some much needed renovation. Touch up paint.
Give a little love.
Oh, yes. It's that, you know, it's like our spring cleaning. We're doing a little bit earlier, but, you know, so we're doing some touch up paint. We're getting some new gates that we're so excited for. As teachers, if you're a teacher, you understand the excitement of a gate that does not, you know, that you don't have to lift in, that's easy. So we're getting some new gates in there. You know, we're definitely also getting some new toys, some new things for the children, and a new fence we're also getting in our Milton site, much needed. The building's been around for a long time. So, you know, the fence is just, I think the fence is finally being like, look, I've been here 30 plus years, so it's just starting to fall apart. So we're getting a new fence, and that's even something the kids are looking so forward to it. They're just like, they're ready to go on the big playground, not the little playground, the big playground. So
they've earned it.
They did, and I told them just a few more days, when you guys come back, you'll have a new playground. You'll be able to go outside. So those are some of the little things that we're doing, and you know, that our current parents can look out for. They're excited to see it as well too, and they're just, you know, very pleasant. Thank you guys for allowing us to close and not being upset about it. So I can't wait for everybody to see the new updates on Tuesday.
Yes, and so parents who already have kids with Shell's Early Learning, you know, they're going to get to see the new compared to the old. But if there are some new parents that are interested in getting their kids signed up, you guys also have some open house opportunities.
We do. April is that time of the month that we love to do our open house. It's a spring open house, music, you know, food, activities, all type of fun things to do with the kids, but also they're able to come out and, you know, tour. That's always the fun part. I love our open houses. The team's always so excited. The community comes out and does a great time. And
you guys know how to throw a party, I must say.
We do know how to throw a party.
Because I've been there a couple of times, whether it was your mom's birthday, Thanksgiving. I've been there for some of the big Shell's events, and I'm like, okay.
Yes, we do love to have fun. So, and you don't even have to enroll, but it's something to do. So definitely look out for our open house dates. We're trying to put it on the right weekend, only because the weather, the last two springs, open houses we had, it does. It'll be fine like the day before, and then the next day it'll just start raining on us. And we're still there. We still go out. We still have a good time. But we're just trying to pay attention to, like, it. They're saying to move it to May, and I'm like, I don't want to move it to May. There's a lot in May, so trying to keep it in April. So definitely look out for the dates. And, you know, if you're looking for something to do, if you're looking for enrollment, especially school agers, summer will be here in like
before
any
you know
minute. So if you're looking for some, enrollment, some summer camp activities and ideas, or a program, you can definitely reach out to us. You can come to the open house. You can, you can even reach out to us online at www.shellschildcare.com. Whatever you want to do, give me a call at the center, 302-684-3201, to set up a tour, or to just ask questions about our open house coming up, and, come out, have fun. We'll be there. You'll hear the music.
Yes.
You will hear the music.
Yes, the music, the dancing, the revelry that you will run into at Shell's Early Learning Center. And of course, all of the schooling and learning that really does get these kids ahead, so they are ready for kindergarten when they get there.
Yes, that's something we're actually trying to do. We're reaching out to local principals to see if they can either come to the center for pre-K students, or if we can bring them to the school. So we're reaching, all of our facilities are reaching out to their local schools, because we want the kids to be beyond prepared, and we felt the best way was maybe having them talk to a principal, get the gist of it. I really would love to get them to go to the school, because I think that's more an eye opener for the kids, like, oh my God,
kindergarten's real.
It's big, but I don't want them to be scared. So we're trying to get them really prepared for kindergarten. So I want you guys to also remember, Shell's is also the local community here with everything and anything you need help with.
Yep, Angela's got the answers. Well, Angela, thank you so much for coming in today and getting us ready for daylight savings. Again, we spring forward, we lose the hour of sleep, but we gain the hour of sunshine, and keeping people up to date on open house and summer camp activities and all that you guys have going on. And good luck with the renovations.
Thank you.
We do have some more CoastLife on the way. We are introducing you to a sweet face with our pet of the week.